This video I am showing you how you can use Let's Get Vaccinated sticker on Instagram story. So firstly you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner, and then you have to go to the story tab, and from here you have to choose a photo from the gallery. So let's see, I choose this photo, and after choosing the photo what you can do is you can simply tap on the stickers icon in the top, and here you can find the Let's Get Vaccinated option. So what you can do is you can simply tap on the Let's Get Vaccinated, and you can when you tap on this, then you can see the text is changing. You can simply resize it, and so that's it. You can replace it anywhere that you want. So that's it, that how you can use Let's Get Vaccinated a sticker. So there is another this type of a sticker. You can simply tap on the stickers, and here you can also see in the right side of Let's Get Vaccinated option. So this is another Let's Get Vaccinated. So you can see this. You can also use this sticker. So that's it, that how you can use all this vaccinated sticker. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.